Welcome to Design Your Mark. I'm going to show you in this video how to order one of our new products, which is the self-inking stamps by Trodat. Now there's two ways to get to those stamps. We have the new products tab right here, or you can scroll down, and right here in this image is our Trodat. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and that's going to load up all of our products. So I'm going to scroll down, and this is where we have all the Trodads, and the size is next to them so you can see which one to select. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. And that's going to load up our artboard. Now it's going to show me the size again up here and also on the artboard so I know what I'm working with. First thing I'm going to do is select a Trodat case color. And that are these options right here. There's also images down here if you want to see what that looks like. So I'm going to go with this blue here, and that is sky blue. It's a little dark for sky blue, but we'll use that one. And then we choose the ink pad color. And here are options for that. I'm going to go with hot pink. So now that I have the case color and the ink pad color, I'm just going to go ahead and click the yes button for color check just to confirm that I know that's what I want. Now we can start designing. Click the Design Now button. And that is going to ask us if we want to add a design or add text first. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Design, and that is going to load up our library of designs. That is categorized over here on the left-hand side. We have DYM exclusive stamps that we'll be updating weekly, and then we also have some stock images as well. So you can go through those. So, since it is October, I'm going to choose this pumpkin here, and that is going to paste it on our artboard. Now I can scale that using the corner by clicking and dragging, or I can use the design tools here over the right-hand side. So with that selected, I'm going to shrink it down and move it over. Okay, so now I'm going to add some text next to it. And it's asking me if I want to add text to a clear photopolymer stamp, which is not what we're doing. We're doing a self-inking stamp. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this is where you type in your text. Now let's say you want that text to fall on two different lines. You would do that right here. I'm going to go ahead and click the Enter button. So now I have my text on two lines. Now I'm going to click the Add Text button. And that's going to drop it on our artboard. And again, I'm going to scale it the same way with the corner. And if I want to center that text, I go over to my text options here, and there's a center button. So that's going to align it. I'll move this over here. Now let's say I want to change that font. I'd also go to the text options. There's a drop-down menu right here. And that's going to load up all of our fonts, again, categorized on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click Gothic and find something cool for Halloween. And that's going to change my font. You just align it the way you like. And for any reason that you went past the artboard, you scaled it too large, it's going to give you a warning here on the right-hand side that you might want to shrink that down so it does not get cut off. Once you shrink it down, that warning does go away. So once you have a stamp just the way you want, what you would do from this point is add to cart. And let's say I decided that I didn't want hot pink for my ink pad color. I can make that change right here by clicking the Edit options. Now I have the opportunity to change that. I'm going to go down to orange and click OK. So I'm going to get a Trodat case that is a sky blue color, and my ink pad color will be orange. Now I'm going ahead and add that to cart. And if I were to check out, my shopping cart is going to go over what I just ordered. So I'm getting a self-inking Trodat, and this is the size. And the case color is sky blue, and the ink pad color is orange. and that will give me a total of $29.99, and that does include shipping. So at this point, you go ahead and check out, and your order is complete. Thank you so much.